Building business credit can seem like an intimidating process, but today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Net-30 vendor accounts to help your business build strong credit. And I'll reveal a secret towards the end that could make all the difference in your credit building strategy. Stick around, because this could be the game changer you're looking for. First things first, what exactly are Net-30 vendor accounts? Simply put, these are accounts where you can make purchases on credit and then pay the full balance within 30 days. The best part? If you choose the right vendors, they'll report your payments to the major credit bureaus, which can help build your business credit score, making it easier to get approved for loans and lines of credit in the future. Now, you might be thinking, but do Net-30 accounts really matter? Absolutely. Here's why. As a business owner, you need to establish a solid credit history to secure financing down the road. If you're starting fresh or rebuilding, these accounts can be your entry point. Think of them as your first step toward a credit foundation. But there's a catch. Not all Net-30 accounts are created equal. Some vendors report to credit bureaus, and some don't. So, you need to be strategic. For example, one of the best vendors to start with is Uline. It's a go-to for small businesses looking to build credit. They offer essential supplies that almost every business needs. The beauty of Uline is that it reports to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and Dun & Bradstreet. This means when you make purchases and pay your bills on time, you're actively boosting your business credit score. But here's the thing. Paying on time is crucial. If you think you can just order supplies and pay later without worrying about the due date, think again. Payment history makes up a significant portion of your credit score, and late payments can damage your credit more than you might think. If you're looking to build a strong credit profile, consistency is key. Next, you should consider companies like Granger. It's another vendor that offers a Net-30 account, and it's well respected in the business credit building community. Similar to Uline, Granger reports to all three major bureaus, so you're building a positive credit history with every on-time payment. But here's a pro tip you might not find in other videos. Once you've established a solid track record with a few Net-30 vendors, don't hesitate to ask for higher credit limits. Most vendors are willing to work with you, especially if you've shown that you're reliable. Increasing your credit limits allows you to make larger purchases, which in turn can lead to faster credit growth, as long as you stay disciplined with your payments. Now, you might be wondering if Net-30 vendor accounts are the only thing you need to focus on for business credit. In reality, they're just one piece of the puzzle. For instance, you should also look into securing a business credit card that reports to the credit bureaus. Some credit cards, like the Capital One Spark card, are great for small businesses looking to build or improve their credit scores. But let's circle back to why you need to pay attention till the end. Here's the secret I promised you. There's a specific method I've used with my clients that accelerates credit building by combining these Net-30 accounts with certain revolving credit strategies. This isn't something you're going to hear in every video, because many content creators have affiliate links to promote, and they won't give you the full picture. I'm not here to sell you anything. This is straight-up actionable advice that has helped dozens of businesses grow their credit scores in record time. If you've learned something today and you're ready to get started on your business credit journey, do yourself a favor and subscribe to the channel. When you do, you'll be supporting content that's honest, transparent, and free from affiliate commissions. You deserve content that puts your best interests first. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your business credit.